Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to download Pinterest videos to your device gallery, iOS and Android Easy Guide. So for you to be able to begin, just make sure that you're logged in onto the right Pinterest account first. So as you can see, I'm currently logged in already and I'm currently onto my feed. So as you can see, there are some videos and photos in here, and this actually depends onto the video that you're gonna download. Since for example, this one, there might be some videos that aren't downloadable onto your device. So I think there are some restrictions for that, but there are videos in here that are for free that you could easily download on Pinterest. So for example, this video that I have in here. So if I click onto these three dots in here, there is a download option. But if the video is not downloadable, you'll only see the copy link for that one. So you could send the video through a copy link. But since this video is downloadable, there is a download option. Click onto that and it should go ahead and download the video onto your device. So you'll just need to wait for this one to be finished downloading and it will go ahead and be saved onto your camera roll once it is done. And that is how to download Pinterest videos to your device gallery, iOS and Android Easy Guide. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.